Are you a writer or do you love writing articles? Do you want to get paid really high for the articles that you write? If yes, then stick with the video. I am going to share 3 websites with you that will pay you for writing articles. You can earn money just by sitting on your bed or your favorite chair. You just need a phone or a laptop with the internet connection. You can try these websites if you want to make money online just by writing articles. These websites will not ask for any kind of registration fees, so you can start earning without any investment. And it doesn't matter wherever you live on this world, you can make money from these websites. You can easily cash out money that you will earn into a PayPal account or directly into a bank account. Welcome to Tutorial Assist. In this channel, I show people different methods that they can use to earn money online. If you want to know more about methods, then hit the subscribe button you see right below. You will be learning about new methods as I post videos daily. Let's dive into the video. The first website is TextBroker. I will provide all the websites link in my description box below, so make sure to check that out. TextBroker is a website that gives opportunities to write articles and earn money even if you are new to a writing world. TextBroker works as a middleman. They provide people like you who can write a various list of articles that their client needs. If you submit the work, you will be get paid. Client pays the TextBroker. TextBroker keeps some amount of money and will pay you with the rest of money. The site has been paying its members since 2008. They have a high reputation for paying on time. Now I will show you how to apply on this website. Here you can see website homepage. You can read more about TextBroker by checking out their website. On the top of your screen, you see two options. First, I need content, and second, I write content. Click on I write content, a new page will open. The website itself will explain on how you can earn money by writing articles. You can also read the blogs here where they explain everything from how TextBroker works to their payment options. You can also get writing resources here. These resources can help you to improve your writing. Now moving with the account creation, click on sign up and choose sign up me as an author option. Fill all your details and click on sign up your account. After you have created your account, you need to complete your profile by filling all your details. At least spend around 20 minutes to make your profile so that your profile looks professional to your clients. You will be asked to submit an article. On the base of that article, you will be given an initial rating. That rating can vary from 2 to 5 stars, 5 stars being maximum. If you do not get good ratings in starting, you can always improve your ratings by submit more and more articles. There are different kinds of level on this website. On level 2, you will be paid 0.7 cent for per word, and level 3, you will be paid 1 cent per word, and level 4, you will get 1.5 cents, and level 5, you will get 5 cents per word. You can choose one article at a time from the pool of article requirements submitted by clients. Write the article. If clients like your article, the money will be directly get into your account. If by chance client doesn't like your article, you can give revision to your article. You will be getting paid on weekly basis through your PayPal account, and the minimum cash out is $10. If you are new to writing world, then you should try TextBroker as it is one of the best sites, especially if you are beginner to into a writing world. Now let's see another websites. The second website is Scripted. Scripted is a well-known freelancing website in content writing community. If you want to work with high-profile clients and want to get paid really high for your work, then you should try Scripted. They provide different kinds of writing work to their members. These work can be writing shorter or a long article, video scripting, copywriting, press release, and many more. Here you can see their websites. They provide different kinds of writing work to their members. There are many big names that use Scripted for their content creation. Some of these are LinkedIn, Adidas, Adobe, Healthline, etc. Scripted has clients across 37 different industries, so you can find work within your expertise and on your terms. More than 300 million of words of work have been written through this website. If you got some experience with writing, then you should definitely try Scripted. Now moving with the account creation. You can see right here an option called Become a Writer. Click on it. A new page will open. Here are the industries that Scripted have clients from. You can choose whatever industry you want and build a profile according to that. There is no limit to number of industries you can apply. Click on Apply Now, fill your email, first name, last name and choose a password. After you have created your account, simply log in. In order to approve your profile, you will need to submit an sample articles showing your article skills. After your profile has been approved, you can apply to jobs that will be listed on your dashboard. Choose a job according to your interest and click on Take Job. Client will approve your request and you can start working. Scripted has been ranked top 5 on the internet as a writing community. More than 80,000 freelancers work with them. You can also be one of them if you work really hard. Try improving your writing skills every single day. If you really want to work for big companies, you should definitely go with Scripted. Now let's move to the third website. The third website is Get a Copywriter. Get a Copywriter is a place where clients and freelancers come together. Client posts their requests and freelancers like you fulfill their requests and get paid. This website will pay you around $40 for every 1,000-word article you write. You will be paid more as you grow profile on this platform. You can apply for a number of specialty areas including finance, social media, blogging, travel, tourism, healthcare and many more. You can apply to as many categories as you want, but you will be asked to submit 3 sample articles for every category you applied for. Here you can see website homepage. You can get more information about this platform from their website. To apply as a writer on this website, scroll down to the bottom. You will see an option called Action, under which you will see an option called Join as a Writer. Click on Join as a Writer and a new window will open. Scroll down the page to learn more about the site and benefit of joining as a writer. To apply on this platform, first of all, you need to create an account. Create an account by clicking on Apply to join as a writer. Fill all your details like your email address, first name, last name, your phone number. After filling all your details, click on Submit the application. Your account will be created. After you have created your account, log in. After logging in, you will need to qualify an English test. After you have passed an English test, you will be asked to submit your sample articles for every category you have chosen. After submitting your articles, wait for 48 hours to approve your profile. After your profile has been approved, start applying on jobs and get paid around $40 for 1,000 words you will write. You can cash out your earnings into your PayPal account or directly into a bank account on weekly basis. So these were the 3 websites that you should definitely try if you want to work as a writer. I have also explained methods through which you can earn money by reading books. I will provide video link in my description box, so make sure to check that out. If you got to learn about a new method, hit like, share and subscribe. I will be meeting you tomorrow with another video showing you how to earn money by filling out surveys and playing games. Till then, try these methods. Thank you.